Hey guys, Brian with Outlaw Euro. We're about to show you a DIY. Pretty simple fix for a relatively common problem. Right now what we're working on is an improperly adjusted park brake. With these SMG cars, unless you're lucky enough to have a manual and you can put it in gear, obviously our park brake is all we have to lock the car in position on an incline, and we don't want the M5 or M6 to roll away. So for example, this park brake, as you can see, goes way up. This park brake is improperly adjusted. We're going to shortly show you a properly adjusted park brake, and then we're going to go on to the simple fix to fix this issue. Okay, so this park brake is properly adjusted. As you can see, it goes up about that high and stops. So if you're running factory wheels, whether it be an M car or non-M car, you're going to be able to do this rather easily. Some pretty good engineering on BMW's part in reference to this. All you're going to need to do is jack up the car. Obviously is your jack point there, your jack pad. You're going to remove, after you have the vehicle jacked up, you're going to remove one lug bolt, and then you're going to rotate your wheel, and you're going to look in there, use a flashlight or whatever. You're going to look down that hole where the bolt once was, and you're going to see the adjuster, and you can actually adjust it through this hole in the wheel rather than having to take the whole wheel off. Okay, so the first step is you're gonna set your park brake. We set our park brake 3 clicks up. You're pretty much gonna set it where you want it to be and have the park brake be engaged. Go ahead and set yours up for 1, 2, or 3 clicks in our case, is what we did here. So this car obviously has some aftermarket wheels on it. With these wheels, we will be taking them off to adjust the parking brake. This is going to give you guys a better look at the adjustment procedure. So we're going to go ahead and take this wheel off. Okay, so we're going to use a bore scope to show you the mechanism you're actually going to be adjusting. So here we've got the bore scope pointed right at the little cog that you're going to be adjusting. And it is that guy right there, if you can't see it. This is the passenger side of the vehicle. So in the case of this one, you're going to move it towards you to tighten it. On the driver's side, it's going to be the opposite. So you're going to be moving the cog away from you. Okay, now that we've got the parking brake set with just the slightest amount of drag with the parking brake disengaged, it's time to go test it on an incline. Okay, so you may have to do some back and forth, trying it out, make a few adjustments on the parking brake cog, and then, try it out and see how you like it. We got ours set where we want it. So we've now successfully done our park brake set. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe.